What is that mysterious ticking noise? It's not over here, it's not over there. It's kind of catchy. Snipe, Snape, Severus Snape, 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 Severus Snape,
Dumbledore!
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 Hermione.
Severus Snape,
Dumbledore!
Snape,
Hermione.
Severus
Hermione.
Dumbledore!
Harry Potter. Harry Potter. Harry Potter. Harry Potter. Yeah. Harry Potter. Harry Potter. Harry Potter. Harry Potter. That's me.
Snape,
Harry.
Snape,
Harry.
Snape,
Harry.
Snape,
Harry.
Snape,
Harry.
Snape,
Harry.
Snape,
Snape. Harry.
Dumbledore!
Hermione.
Dumbledore!
Harry
Hermione.
Potter. I'm Harry
Hermione.
Potter.
Dumbledore!
I'm Harry Hermione. Potter. Harry
Hermione.
Potter.
Singing a song all day long at Hogwarts.
I found the source of the ticking. It's a 10-year-old YouTube video.
Wait a minute. 10 years? What are we still doing in school? Let's get out of here.
Well, 10 years. Makes you feel old, doesn't it, Snape?
Snape, Snape, Severus Snape, 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 Severus Snape.